Can Chat GPT replace our human beings? Hello, I'm Santosh Nimmani. I'm a TEDx speaker and I'm India's first proud introverts career mentor. Chat GPT is a language model developed by OpenAI and it has been trained by the massive amount of text data available from the internet. It can perform variety of tasks such as answering your questions, generating text, but can this artificial intelligence tools like Chat GPT replace human beings? Let's look into it. First of all, let's talk about the advantages of using this Chat GPT and the other AI tools over human beings. The first is about Chat GPT can analyze and process large amount of data and provide answers very quickly without any breaks and rests. Like human beings, we always take some rest, and apart from that, our speed is comparably very slow. The second thing is about consistency and accuracy. We see the consistency of this AI tools is so high, even there are very minute errors which are being provided by this Chat GPT and other AI tools. Comparably, human beings make a lot of human errors which are to be again reviewed and to be sent, which takes more time compared to Chat GPT and other AI tools. The third is about 24/7 availability. We see Chat GPT and the other AI tools are available 24/7 and we can use the tools at any point of time. But still, Chat GPT is getting matured enough. There are multiple requests which have been coming to Chat GPT. Because of that, the server is going down. But in future, there are high chances that the Chat GPT will be available for 24/7, which increases the availability, and there are high chances we can use it at any point of time in our life. Chat GPT doesn't require any salaries, benefits or any money which is being consumed because it's an open source and it is being developed by OpenAI, which makes it most cost effective compared to our human beings. Fifth, customizable. Chat GPT can create and write scripts and give you answers in multiple languages, and you can train Chat GPT to get the answers in whatever language you want. So that customizable option is available, and again, it's because of the free of cost thing, it is added more advantage because human beings can only be trained to a certain extent, not more than that. But compared to Chat GPT, it has multiple options. Whatever language you use, whatever answer you want, immediately it can convert that particular script into language required. Chat GPT can be customizable according to your needs. It can be about your business needs, it can be your professional needs, it can be your personal needs, whatever it can be. It can be customizable according to your requirements. 6. Scalability. Chat GPT can be used in a different way. If you want more requests or if you want more work to be done, it can be used. At times you don't want to work on it, it is also fine. So you can scale up and scale down the request, and that is very easy in Chat GPT. But in human beings, if the limit is been reached, we can't work beyond a certain limit. But the Chat GPT doesn't have that excuse. 7th, most important, is about language support. So in Chat GPT, there are multiple languages which are being embedded, and even we can train Chat GPT to have any language support. So it's very easy with Chat GPT to give an input in one language and get an output in other languages as well. This gives an edge to Chat GPT. Chat GPT can do things faster and more effectively compared to human beings. And the tasks such as data tasks or even simple administrative tasks can be handled. But the question lies still, can Chat GPT replace human beings? My answer would be, because when it comes to complex tasks such as creativity, empathy, emotions, Chat GPT is a long way from today. For example, Chat GPT can generate text-based scripts, but when it comes to counseling, mentoring and many other things, human beings are the better to understand the other human being and respond accordingly. Additionally, Chat GPT is mostly relied on the text, whatever input you are providing to it. But apart from that, human beings can understand your emotions. Chat GPT relies on the data, whatever you are giving. It can be biased, but human beings understand whether the data is being biased when you are giving as an input. and they will rectify that bias thing and can give a better output. But Chat GPT is not like that. Whatever task or whatever question is being given, if it is biased, accordingly only Chat GPT will answer. Especially in the fields like journalism, law and politics, these things matters a lot. In conclusion, Chat GPT can replace human beings in certain tasks, but Chat GPT cannot replace human beings in all the tasks because there are a lot of things which involves human interaction, which actually creates a lot of impact when humans are being involved. So Chat GPT cannot replace human beings, but it can be used as an add-on tool to human beings to make things little faster. Thank you for watching. If you love this video, do share it to someone and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for the next coming videos. Thank you so much.